Parang isinar.
So we're traveling parallel with the main highway. Traffic is out there. Coming up here on the right is the Tip Top Motel and Cafe. You'll see that just about every parking spot is full. That's not because of the motel or the cafe. Every restaurant has their claim to fame, and the Tip Top Cafe is famous for their oxtail soup. I grew up poor, and we would have oxtail soup, and I was thrilled to find out that oxtail soup is a big deal on the Hawaiian menu. Everybody asks me about downtown. Where's your downtown? So I'm going to give you the downtown tour. So what we would, our downtown area starts, this is our biggest municipal building. It's got a lot of county offices. As we do this roundabout, there's a grammar school, a middle school, a couple of churches, a fire station, library, county health department. That light colored building in the back there, that's the mayor's office along with other county offices. This now concludes your downtown tour. You didn't blink, did you? No, I've been here for 18 years. I'm from Chicago. This is better. Oh, yeah. Yeah, my daughter's still in Chicago, and I think they had, what is it, 17 below wind chill? Yeah, she lives in a mobile home, and every winter her pipe will go out. What she finds attractive about Illinois. Yeah, there's supposed to be snow and freezing temperatures all the way as far as, well, not southern Florida, but all the way into northern Florida. Yeah, it's gonna be very terrible. Global warming. Here on the right is my church. And at the end of this strip mall is our ancient bowling alley. Each island is a county. Each county has a mayor. This is Kauai County, in case you forgot what island you're at. The mayor of Kauai County is also the mayor of Niihau County. Niihau is a small island on the west coast of Kauai. Niihau is called the Forbidden Island. It's a privately owned island. It's inhabited by 100% of the people who still speak the language. No one can go to that island except the residents. The mayor of Maui is also the mayor of Lanai. Lanai is a small island off the coast of Maui. Lanai is 98% owned by a dot-com billionaire by the name of Larry Ellison. Since Larry owns 98% of that island, there's still that 2% that anyone can own and anyone can visit Lanai whenever they want. So that one's not called a private island, not yet. We have our own .com billionaire here on this island. Mark Zuckerberg bought over 100 acres of land on the north shore of this island. He's got an oceanfront property and he built his estate there. He built a security wall around his property, and the wall goes right up to the shore, and our county planners saw that and they said, you cannot block access to the beach. The beaches belong to the people. They said, tear down that wall, Mr. Gorbachev, Mr. Zuckerberg. So he tore down the wall, and he's been trying to make nice ever since. He has donated millions of dollars to different causes here on the island, so we're willing to forgive him for that one, but I don't know, there's still something shady going on up there. The median price of a house on this island is $1.2 million. The cheapest listing at the real estate right now is $440,000, and I know which house that is. It's a Roach Motel. It's a real fixer-upper. So that means that the majority of the houses on this island are either multi-million-dollar houses or they are fixer-uppers. The problem with that is that wealthy investors come to this island, they buy the fixer-uppers, they turn them into million-dollar houses, and the locals cannot afford to buy them. So since the locals can't afford to buy, they have to rent, and there's a tremendous shortage of rental units on the island. So much so that when a rental unit becomes available, there's a bidding war. They're offering more money for the rent that's already unbelievably high, and they have nowhere else to live. So to illustrate that, the demographics of the island is majority and then Japanese, and then Caucasians. Then there's all others. So in the all others is 6% Hawaiian. That means that only 6% of the population is still Hawaiian. We price them out of their property. No, there's a shell of the cocoa palms that is still up. They haven't torn all of it down yet. They're in the process of tearing it down. There has been this big conglomerate that bought it, and they finally are starting to make improvements. The Cocoa Palms was a very historic resort that was torn, that was destroyed in 1992 when Hurricane Iniki came through. Please take out your medallion. Have your medallion ready to show to the guard as we enter the gate.
Ayun, pagkatapos namin mag-bus tour, ayan, dumiretso na kami dito sa ulit tayo sa Nauili, Hawaii. Ayan, kasama natin dito. Kwentong ano lang kwentong katuwaan. Ayun, matalahan dito, ano ko? Magpunwari ka. Kailangan magpunwari ka. Boss, mayaman ba kayo?
Oo. Brad, itong mga
Nasa Hawaii kayo eh.
yung mga nakikita mo rito, yung iba rito, pinapupahan ko.
Ayan.
Oo. Ito, isa akong unit dito. Bihira ako mapuntahan kasi bihira lang ako sa Hawaii.
Yun lang boss, no? Busy sa trabaho, boss?
Busy. Dami akong business na nasa kaso sa New York, sa Miami, yung Las Vegas, yung mga condo ko. Ang hirap.
Anong klaseng condo yun, boss?
Yung, ano lang naman, maliit lang naman property.
Wait lang. Ikaw, boss, anong meron ka?
Ayos lang, tingin-tingin lang ako, sightseeing lang ako, katulad ng ganyan, no?
Saan, boss, ganyan?
Oo. Diba?
Pero ang yaman natin, ano? Nasa Hawaii tayo palagi.
Bayo naman. Talo mo yung isang mga artista, Brad.
Oo.
Sila, Boracay lang pasyalan.
Boracay lang yung pinagmamalaki nila. Eh tayo, mga empleyado lang pero
Hoy. Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Manta pa. Sulit.
Kaya yung kondo ni boss, oh. Kaya,
Sa mga, may unit ako dyan eh.
ano nga pala business mo, boss?
Dito lang naman ako ng shabu.
Kaya pala kaya,
Yun na, 2 days, 3 days, 2 nights and 3 days sa Tagaytay.
Oo.
Ganito kinuha ko ano.
Ayun no. Brad, huwag ka na kumain.
Huwag mo na subukan.
Galing mo din sa banda.
Huwag mo na subukan. Mapapahiya lang yung pera mo.
Nakakadala. Ako, bihira lang ako magsabi ng ganyan, Brad. Pero totoo.
Pagluto natin sa barko.
Buti pa yung kagahapon. Sana Lulu, yung sa may Albana.
Oo.
Harap yung sa may, ano doon, Chinese restaurant. Tapa, Brad, tapa. Ang dami. Ako, panalo.
Boss, saan ka maliligo? Diyan sa swimming pool?
Tayo. Dapat tayo.
Dagat ito. Doon tayo, boss.
Doon tayo.
Ay, kasama natin si boss. Saan ba tayo? Doon, boss, oh.
Doon tayo. At ano, baka mamaya, boss-boss ka siya, magsasong live yun. Viral tayo na. Yaman ito.
Talagang i-upload ko to, boss, sa YouTube, boss.
Masarap talaga dito.
Sasabihin sa akin, takin ang daming utang nito sa Pilipinas.
Kahit lang yun.
Yan, nabad mo natin sapatos. Ayun. Boss, ang ganda siguro dito banda, oh. Ha? Saan? Sa? Dito, boss, no? Ayan, may kahoy.
Dito. Hindi ba yung naligo ditong Pilipino? Naligo dito. Yung kulay brown ng uniform. Naligo. Nilagay niya sa tabi.
Oh.
Napunta dagat. Laminex, wallet.
Basa lahat.
Wala ka mo, wash out.
Oh.
Pati cellphone lang na iwan.
Ah, hindi na tinitignan.
Nawala.
Nawala.
Ay, ginanon siya.
Oo, pinabot na ano.
Mga pormahan ng mga boss ko yan, no?
Tara, siguro tayo.
Dito na tayo. Dito naman yan eh. Dito na tayo eh. Diba?
Ano, boss? Malamig ba? Ah! Malamig talaga yung tubig. Ha?
May goggles lang eh.
Oo.
Doors balik na.
Launa. Meron pang mga ano. Meron pang mga dito ka, ang ganda ng tanawin, no? Woohoo!
Ayun pa. Takot ako nakalaw sa New Zealand. Ganito eh. Yung alay. Ano pagbalik? Gilin mo kami oh.
Kaya lang, di ka makikita sa Ah?
Ulitin, mabalik na ako.
Yung pinakamalamig na naligo ako dito sa may ano,
New Zealand.
dito sa may ano, pinakamalamig na sa Rhodos, sa Grace Rhodos, yung pinakamalamig kong naliguan dyan.
Oh, so my friend. Maganda yan, dinuglog na eh.
Oo. Sarap, di ba? Oh. Lulublob na kasi ilalim. Oh. Langoy na.
Lifeguard to, huwag kang matakot. Bilis kong luto mo yan.
Sumisit ka na pa ilalim, boss. Mga technical ata to eh. Mahilig yan sila mag-ano eh. Babaw lang dito. Nakatayo nga rin din ako eh. Huli ka na. Mana yung alon? Kapo Robert, ayaw sa malalim eh. Ah? Gabi pinulikat na ako eh. Ah, kagabi? Mana yung alon, you know? Sarap pagbabad. Ba? Oh. Lamig na tubig, no? Malamig yung tubig tapos hindi ganong mainit. Yun. Yan, lagi ang daki. Dito, dumadaan yung baka dito.
Tagaytay eh. Nalagan ako. Nag-kondo-kondo unit.
Ah.
Anong tawag nito?
ko baka.
Yan ang may talik. Yan ang ganda. Yung view ng ginawa namin.
Oo. Saan ka doon sa
SMDC.
SMDC?
Hindi, nag-rent. Oo.
Kano?
Bali, 2-8.
Ilang araw yon?
2 days, 2 nights.
1 day, 2 night.
3 days, 2 nights.
3 days, 2 nights.
Oo.
2-8.
Hindi, lahat na yun. Meron naman. Oo, 2-8 lang. Nakuha nung anak ko ng online na ano.
SMDC?
Oo, SMDC sa may Tagaytay.
Ano siya? May swimming pool na?
Mayroon na. Tapos may yung SMDC.
Ah, parang ano, staycation.
Oo, staycation.
Staycation lang.
Tara, tapos ikot kami ng picnic.
Hindi naman nag-ano maganda yung picnic room kayo?
Tapos makita din sa taas, yung taas doon. Oo. Okay naman yung picnic room. Okay lang din.
Oo.
Bali lang.
Tama ano lang.
Yung taas na,
Asya.
ano ron? Saka yung Sky Ranch.
Bakit? Siguro.
Pasahero yan eh.
Ay, hindi. Ayaw, pasahero ako. Yan sila.
Oo, yun.
Mga pasahero.
Sa atin yan, puro bubog na yan, no?
Nasa na, hindi na bumalik.
Alin? Nandun na, sa dulo. May mga isda na nangangagat eh.
Ilalim.
Oo, pero sa akin.
O parang dumadaan.
Oo, dumadaan lang, ganun lang.
Lalo kang lalamigin pag hindi ka bumabad eh.
Oo.
Dati gusto nila. Lalo na to, lapit.
Oo.
Walking distance.
Kung nululo, sasakay ka pa rin eh. Dito, mababaw dito. Pag ganun yung buhangin niya eh. Gawa ng alon. Oo, yun doon. Dancer. Napakasarap talaga magbabad. Lalo na ako nandito kasawa eh. Napakasarap.
Maganda rin sa amin. Kaya lang, lang nila yung ano eh. Yung mga kapaligiran nila.
Ito ba ng Palawan? Coron?
Sa Palawan ang pinakaano sa Pilipinas.
Yung lugar ko, Coron, Palawan.
Yun ang maganda ron.
Ano mga tao doon eh, talagang ano di ba?
Disiplinado lahat.
Disiplinado.
Kagandahan sa kaya kong ipagkita ni Coron kasi ang ibig sa lahat ng Basyalan, Brad. Burakan ang beach na gano'n, di ba? Puerto Galera pagdating mo gano'n. Sa amin pare, merong isang separate na bundok, walang nakatira. Kundi ni Tibok, sila ang mamahala. During time ni Marco, yung mga magulang niya, binigay yun sa mga ni Tibok. So may entrance fee, sila nangangalang. Kaya Brad, kahit ilang dekada dumaan, maganda pa rin. Malinis, maganda at walang baboy na.
Kasi
Hindi
dito
ka-
atin sa
walang residential, walang resort,
Kumbaga talaga private.
private. Yun ang, kaya ako sinasabi, maraming nagsabi sa amin, wala, pagtagal ng taon yan, tatagal na yan, polluted. Sinagot ko siya, not possible. Kasi difference yan sa lahat ng kasalan sa buong Pilipinas.
Siguro ng gano'n eh.
Makita ang
Disciplinary.
Pagdating mo ng town, honestly, wala kang makikita ang maganda halo. Even our market is not good. Pero pagdating mo ng isla, masasabi mo paradise.
Sabi nga rin natin dito sa... Ano ba yun? Nag-taxi tayo. Naalala
Hilo.
mo yun?
Sa Hilo.
Yung Coron.
Coron, Palawan yung
Best daw.
Dulo-dulo na yung narating na. Dulo-dulo na yung narating niya.
Guard yata yung red eh.
Ha?
Pag-share ng hotel.
Siguro.
Barko na lang tayo kumain, boy.
Ha?
Sa barko na tayo kumain. Oh, siguro tayo. Oo. Pwede yun.
Hindi na ito kumain. Tapos banlaw lang tayo doon, no? Pero doon magbanlaw. Ha? Oo, mas malapit dyan kaysa dito tayo dumaan sa kabila. Saan? Oo. Ha? Oo, yung dalawa. Ano? Pauwi na tayo. Tapos na ang paliligo. Ha? Ha?
Alright, so far so good everyone. Morning pero hot.
Ha? Wala tayong picture. Gusto mo, picture na kita dito. Ah. Silo ba bukas o kahuloy? Ha? Sa Hilo at Andril?
Probably wala yung nilalakaran, di ba? Ha? Malayo yung lakaran, di ba?
Oo.
Meron tayo mag-cross.
Sasakay tayo doon eh.
Hindi sasakay.
Kahuloy ang lalakad.
Oo.
Bukas ata kahuloy eh.
Condrill, wala.
Wala akong trip. Wala. Talo tayo.
Masakit na sa paa.
Yung lakad ko nga, dada, no?
Masakit na sa paa.
Hindi ko dinidiin yung lakad ko eh. Hindi ko dinidiin.
Masakit sa paa.
Sakit. Ito, bagong-bago pa to. Ganyan. Ha? Oh, ito yung shortcut.